Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best mini drones with camera for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, F3RC Drone Quadcopter, Silver from Contixo. If you happen to be a beginner, then this product could be your ideal option. It also features G-sensor control functions and track controlled abilities. In addition, this drone can also be utilized by skillful videographers and photographers for their exploration. This facilitated by astonishing features that offer you flying choices to alter to any flyers or user expertise level. This drone lets users see the camera videos and images from their smart gadget like a phone. This mini drone features an immovable camera, limiting the field of view. At number 4, Syma X20 Pocket Mini Drone, newest from DoDoeleph. Here is the ideal drone yet easiest device to control for beginners. It features fundamental features appropriate for beginners and kids to use. The drone features an elegant design that offers it a stylish look. Also, this device is portable. The headless mode permits for incredible maneuverability for any user. It is an attractive drone with a classy look. The 6-axis gyro offers fabulous driving control. You should be cautious when using this mini drone outdoors because it can be easily carried by the wind. It is ultra light. At number 3, Mini RC Predator Drone from Holy Stone. This mini drone is small but wind resistant. It also features advanced technology which enhances its functionality. Therefore it is stable and flexible. You will undeniably like the vibrant LED lights that assist you to recognize its back forth at night. The device charger occasionally keeps on detaching even when correctly plugged in. The colorful LED lights make it easy to identify the front and back so as to make the quad a great night flyer. At number 2, DJI Mavic Mini Fly More Combo Drone FlyCam Quadcopter Bundle with SD card. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Together with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, you'll enjoy a simplified flying experience and a perspective unlike any other. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. The DJI Fly app offers a variety of creator templates that generate awesome videos with just a tap. Even beginners with no editing experience can turn any moment into a social media hit. Finally at number 1, DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 Drone Quadcopter. DJI is the global leader in civilian drones, aerial imaging technology, and creative camera technology. Find out more here in our DJI brand store on Amazon. The company is dedicated to making aerial photography and filmmaking equipment and platforms more accessible and easier to use for creators around the world. Its products are used every day by customers in over 100 countries for filmmaking, construction, inspection, emergency response, agriculture, conservation, and beyond. An uprated camera is equipped with a 1-inch megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K, 60 fps video and burst mode stills at 14 fps. The flight autonomy system adds dual rear vision sensors and infrared sensing systems for a total of direction of obstacle sensing and direction of obstacle avoidance. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.